Most players focus on weapons and gears, but ignore one system that can quietly boost their power every single day. And that system is costume. And if you're not using it properly, you're literally leaving free stats behind. Now, if you're new to Steel M on Cross, the costume system might look confusing at first. There are a lot of buttons, upgrades, and options that are not clearly explained. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Simple, clear, and easy to follow. Let's start with the basics. Costumes are not just for appearance. They also give bonus stats that makes your character stronger. And here's the key advantage. You can separate stats from appearance. So even if you like a certain look, you don't have to sacrifice power. To change your appearance, open the menu and go to costume. Tap the select appearance button at the bottom. Review the available options and choose the look you want for your character. There are two types of costumes, full set and separate type. Separate type includes helm, top, bottom, and boots. The important part, you can equip both types together, which means more total stats for your character. So for example, my character is currently wearing the full Lolita costume set, but on the left side, you can see I've also equipped different pieces from other separate types. When equipping costumes, you'll see two options. Equip, this applies the stats. Appearance equip, this only changes how your character looks. You can also choose what appearance is displayed. Your gear, full set costume, or separate pieces. This gives you full control over both strength and style. Now that you understand the basic, let's move into upgrades because this is where things really start to matter. At level 30, you unlock Costume Appraisal. This system adds random extra stats to your costume. Higher grade costume can get more options. You can also lock the good stats, reroll the unwanted ones, or set auto repeat until you get better results. This is how you slowly build stronger and more optimized gear. But stats alone aren't enough. You also need to upgrade your costumes. Enhancement increases your costume's level using materials, but it's chance based, so there's always risk involved. If you fail, you might lose progress unless you use protection items. You can also set a target level and the system will automatically keep upgrading until you reach it. Now, if you don't like taking risks, there is a safer option. Combination is a guaranteed upgrade. If you have two identical costumes with the same level, you can combine them for a 100% success rate. No guessing, no failure, just steady progress. But if you're aiming for higher rarity, this next system is where things gets interesting. Fusing lets you use 5 costumes of the same grade and type to try and get a higher grade 1. It's not guaranteed, but the rewards can be much better. Think of this as a long-term upgrade path. And of course, not every costume is worth keeping. For extra or unwanted costumes, you can dismantle them into useful materials. You can even select multiple items at once using filters, saving you time. So costumes aren't just for look, they are a full progression system. Learn how to use them early and you'll grow stronger and faster than most players.